Ever accidentally schedule a bill payment on Scotiabank and then immediately regret it? Don't panic. You can usually cancel it. First, you'll need to log into your Scotiabank online banking account. Make sure to use your secure login credentials to access your dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Payments and Transfers section. This is where you manage all your scheduled and completed transactions. From the drop-down menu, select Scheduled Payments or Manage Payments. Depending on your specific dashboard layout, this will show you a list of all your upcoming payments. Now, locate the specific bill payment you wish to cancel. You'll see a list with details like the payee, amount, and payment date. Look for an option to cancel or add it next to the relevant payment. Click on the Cancel option. A confirmation window will typically appear, asking you to verify your decision. Read it carefully to ensure you're canceling the correct payment, then confirm to proceed. Once confirmed, you should receive a notification or see a success message indicating that the payment has been successfully canceled. It's always a good idea to double-check your scheduled payments list to ensure it's no longer there. Remember, there's usually a deadline for canceling payments, often a business day before the scheduled date. If you're too close to the payment date, it might be too late, and you could incur fees if the payment processes and then bounces or needs to be reversed. Always act quickly. By following these simple steps, you can maintain control over your finances and avoid unwanted bill payments. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more banking tips.